Basecamp is a versatile tool for project management, facilitating collaboration, task tracking, and communication among team members. Here's how to effectively use Basecamp for project management. Create projects. Start by creating a project for each initiative or team within your organization. Give each project a descriptive name and outline its goals and objectives. Organize tasks. Break down project deliverables into actionable tasks and assign them to team members. Use task lists or boards to organize tasks by priority, status, or category. Set deadlines. Assign due dates to tasks to ensure accountability and keep the project on track. Use calendar views to visualize deadlines and milestones. Collaborate and communicate. Use project discussions and comments to facilitate communication among team members. Encourage collaboration by sharing ideas, asking questions, and providing updates within Basecamp. Track progress. Monitor task progress and project status using reporting and dashboard features. Keep stakeholders informed with real-time updates on project milestones and achievements. Document sharing. Upload and share project documents, files, and resources within Basecamp. Keep all project-related information centralized and accessible to team members. Review and reflect. Conduct regular project reviews and retrospectives to identify successes, challenges, and areas for improvement. Use insights from these reviews to refine project processes and workflows.